Assalamu alaikum, namaskar, and hello everyone. Last time we talked about what MS Office is and the three tools inside it. So today we are opening Word for the first time, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to type, format, and save your first document. So without any further delay, let's get started. So before we touch anything, we should know what actually is MS Word. So it's basically a digital paper, whatever you used to write by hand, such as letters, job applications, assignments, your CV. Word lets you do all of that on your computer. And the best part is you can edit it anytime, fix mistakes, make it look clean and professional, and save it forever. So no more oops, I wrote in pen scenario. So today we are covering exactly three things. First is typing. We'll open MS Word and type a real letter. Second is formatting, such as bold, italic, font size, making it look good. And third is saving, so your work never disappears. Simple, let's do it. Okay, so here's what we are going to do in the demo. We'll open Word, click blank document, then type a short job application letter, just like the one on the right side of the screen. So, all right, watch my screen. I'm opening MS Word, then clicking on the blank document, and now I'll click anywhere on the white page. See that blinking line? That's your cursor. That's where your typing starts. And now I'll type slowly, such as Dear Sir. I am writing this letter. To apply for the position of data entry operator. I have basic computer skills. And I am sorry. A fast learner. Got it. Then we will add regards. Then your name, such as here, for example, Rahul. See how the text automatically jumps to the next line? You don't press enter for that. Word does it for you. That's called word wrap. So now let's format this letter. So first we will do bold. For that, I'll select data entry operator. Then I'll press Control plus B. So now it's bold now and it stands out. Next, we will do italic. For that, I'll select fast learner here, like this, and then I'll press I. So now it's in italic. And next we will do underline. So for that, I'll select dear sir. Then I'll press Control plus U. So it's underlined now. You can see the changes here. And finally, the font size. So click anywhere on the first line. Then go to the font size box at the top. And then change font size, such as 16. Or you can select the whole stuff. And then you can increase or decrease the font size right here, like this. You can see the changes. So that's what each of those does: bold, underline, italic, font, and size. One rule always to remember: that select the text first, then format. If you forget to select, nothing will change. So now, okay, last step is saving. So look at these 5 steps on the screen, such as file, save as, choose location, name it, and then save. That's the simple flow. Let me show you live. So first we will click on file, then we will click on save as, then we will click on browse, then a short dialog box will open, then we will select the desktop here so that it will be easy to find as a document. Then we'll enter our file name here in the file name field, such as my first letter. Then make sure it says that doc x extension at the end. So that's the word format. Now hit save. So now hit saved. Save. Then go to your desktop and your file is saved now, even if you close the word, and it's sitting right on the desktop. Always remember that Control S is your best friend. Press it every few minutes while typing. Don't wait till the end. So, alright, let's recap what we just did. First, we did typing. We opened MS Word, typed a real letter. Then, we did formatting, such as bold, italic, underline, and change the font size. Then, the last thing we had done is saving. That is, we will we had clicked the file, and then we moved to save as. Then we named it, and then we saved with the doc extension. So that's 3 real skills you now have, not just theory. You actually did it. So, a quick question before you go, that have you ever saved a file on your computer before? If yes, where did you save it? Desktop, documents, or somewhere else? Drop your answer in the comment section below. I genuinely read every single one. So, in the next video, we go deeper into Word, such as pages, headers, footers, images, and tables. That's where documents start looking really professional. Practice today's lesson first. Open Word right now, type that letter, save it. See you in the next one. Till then, keep going, and you're doing great. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day.